Hello, my name is Tariq Jaber. I'm in the LPN program at the Galen College of Nursing in Gainesville, Florida. One of my favorite things about Galen's approach to nursing is how much a family they are here. You come in and within the first week, they're very happy to see you. They really want you to pass. If they see that you're lacking in something, they really do recommend to get one-on-one with them, which I love a lot. Is they have a lot of time for one-on-ones. They have a lot of teachers that will help you. And just because you have one teacher for one subject doesn't mean the other teachers won't help you at all. And that's something that I really love because I used it a lot and it helped me pass almost all my classes. Some of the things that I loved about the labs here is how realistic they are. Of course, you're still performing on a mannequin, but the mannequins here are really, really good. They're able to stimulate different breathing patterns, different respiration rates, different heart rates, and they can even make noises, which is pretty cool. And it's just overall a great environment. You with your classmates, you get to see how things are done professionally in the real environment for the most part.